turkey. We're going to make turkeys today. That's our friend here. We made yesterday. And we're going to show you how to do this. It's a really easy project and good fun. You're going to need a pine cone, of varying sizes. He's quite small. There's a big one here.
That's the daddy one.
Yeah, and there's a
That's
slightly
the
smaller one. We need some feathers and pipe cleaners, scissors, some red felt, and you're also going to use some orange felt for yours, aren't you? If you're going to make them slightly different, some joggle eyes, and I need a needle thread, and you don't need any thread.
No, I'm using blue tack.
Okay, great. So to start, for me, I'm going to start sticking the feathers in.
Okay, I'm just going to get a pipe cleaner here.
Yeah.
I'm going to make his legs.
Mine is going to be legless. A legless turkey. You just push these in between the segments in the cone. It's a bit hard to do this back to front, which I'll turn it around in a minute. Just get a couple in here.
I'm going to give him 3 toes.
Is that how many they have?
I'm not sure. That's what mine's going to have.
It's all right. Sounds good to me. Now, so that's all these feathers in. Now I'm going to shape his face. So I got a piece of pipe cleaner here. It's a white fluffy one. And I'll start on one end and just grab the end and turn it in. I'm going to try and make a circle for his head. Just keep going round and round until you think you have the size that'll do it. I think that's about it. Now, I have cut a little wattle out of red felt here. That's my red felt pieces, and I have a needle and thread.
Could I just get some eyes, Maria, please?
You could. There you
Thank
go.
you.
Yeah. You have a beak and all on yours, yeah?
I have a beak and his wattle.
Now I'm just going to put this through the pipe cleaner. A couple of stitches. Now we're going to give him eyes.
I have one on.
I'm going to glue mine. Some tacky glue here. Just any white glue will do this. Dab at the bottom. And just stick it into your circle. Turn it over. Dab of glue.
Going to put his feathers on.
Stick that on. Now, what kind of neck did I put? Something like that. I'm just going to wind this around. I'm going to turn it around a little bit. I'm going to wind it around the front of one of these. That should just stick it. That's my turkey.
I'm nearly finished mine. I'm going to give him another little feather. Oops. This feather fell out.
Okay. There we are.
Ah.
Turkey for Thanksgiving. Bye for now.
Take care.